John from Mighty here, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the Mighty Rich Text Editor within your Rise authoring experience, as well as if for some reason you need to turn off that Mighty Rich Text Editor and use the built-in Rise one, how you can do that. So as we dive into this Rise course, and you've got the Mighty extension installed, you'll notice that as you highlight certain text throughout your course that uses the Rich Text Editor, that you'll see a Mighty Rich Text Editor instead of the built-in Rise Rich Text Editor. And again, this introduces lots of really great functionality, which I'll dive into this lesson and show you. So as this lesson loads up, there's tons of great things that you can do with this rich text. As an example, we've got a header text that is this more condensed, cool looking font, but we don't always want to use that everywhere. So we've got the option to be able to introduce new fonts throughout our course, wherever you'd like. This also introduced a really fun option where you can actually add in Font Awesome icons to be able to utilize icons throughout your course anywhere that you're putting text. You can also do other fun things like mess with line height to be able to get rid of the default line heights that Rise has built in and tighten up your course based on what you want it to look like. And all of these rich text options are here and available in the Mighty Rich Text experience. However, if for some reason you're looking to use the built-in Rise Rich Text Editor based on any sort of unique feature that they have built into their editor, you're able to do that with a click of a toggle. Just jump down here to the Mighty Assistant and you are able to toggle off the Mighty Rich Text Editor. And then once you reload Rise, it will automatically have the Rise Rich Text Editor available instead of the Mighty. So again, you go down to certain text, you highlight that text, and this is the built-in Rise Rich Text Editor. You'll also notice that a lot of the changes that you may have made in your course, specifically with the Mighty formatting, are no longer appearing just due to how Rise renders rich text versus how Mighty will render rich text. So if you have a certain situation that you want to use the Rise rich text, you're able to just toggle it off, go and create the block and do the thing that you want to do, and then just jump back in, turn back on the Mighty Rich Text Editor, and as long as you've not updated any text in various parts of your course, it should automatically keep any of the Mighty Rich Text features that you've applied to your content. That's a quick overview of our Mighty Rich Text Editor. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to our team.